it's your girl Leslie, your favorite YouTube lesbian. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing something completely different, but it is something I've always wanted to do. I've got a new unit right here, aka wig. I splurged and got myself a really fancy one. So I'm going to do an unboxing and a try on with you guys. I usually don't do that because I get so excited that I jump into customizing them. If you don't know, you can't just, put it on and go. Not with a lace front, honey. So if you want to see my new wig, and trust me you do, then keep on watching. If you're new, hey, what's up? I'm Leslie. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell so you don't miss when I upload, and give the video a thumbs up. Let's get into the unboxing. All right, so first things first, before we get started with the unboxing, one of my Poshmark seller friends, yes, if you guys don't know, I sell on Poshmark and I also buy really amazing, expensive designer things. Anyway, she let me know that her daughter was a huge fan of my channel and she watches me. So, Haley, I wanted to give you a shout out. Hi. Haley is from Amherst, Massachusetts, and she goes to Arms Middle School. So, shout out to you, Mama. I hope you're having a great day. Thank you so much for the love and support. Okay, so.
So excited. Okay.
So the wig that I bought was from Angelix Beauty. I found her store online through the Zezzle app, I think it is. It's one of those buy now, pay laters. You guys know I love those. All right, let's open her up. I'm stuck with packaging. Okay, so inside, it looks like she's got the name of the company and her socials. It looks like she's given me a gift. Let me see. Oh yeah, so she has included a cute little headband. And I think this is a wig cap, is it? Yeah, and a wig cap. I already have a wig cap on. I prefer the skin tone ones. Oh, honey. Good thing we're taking her off. So that's really cool that you get those with your order. There is also a card that also has Instagram information. Like, is that a wig on her? Damn. And her highlight is popping too. On the back, it does have the Wig Care Instructions. Ta-da! Look at her. Oh my gosh. She is so soft. This is the lace in the front. Inside, a nice big breathable cap. I got a big head, so some wigs don't work for me. She does have the adjustable straps here to help hold them and help hold it on. Can't speak. No clips though, so that'll be interesting to see how she sits on my big head. Shall we try her on? Oh my god, that means I have to take my wig off in front of you guys. If I like it, I don't care. I've got to put this on my face. On my head. So let's take this one off. Try not to take absolutely everything off at once. Homage to my local drag queens. So yeah, I like to wear a flesh-colored cap from Wigs to tuck in the naps, the BDBs. I also normally wear one of these. These stop your wigs from sliding. They're amazing, but I don't know if I'll need it with this wig or not. Okay, the moment of truth. Oh, she's got a good bit of parting space. So this is the part that I customize. You generally want your parting space to be a little bit wider because this isn't necessarily natural. Nobody really has a teeny tiny part like this. And then I'm going to be cutting the lace so that it's the shape of my forehead. Okay, here she goes. She feels good. She is snug. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. She feels so good. Now you see why you want to customize the front. Otherwise it looks like crazy. Ah, she feels good. She's really light, really fluffy. I don't feel any like quick tangling. Oh my god. Okay, so this is what I was talking about with the lace, right? And it looks like I can wear her parted to the side or in the middle, kind of however I want to place her. I tend to like my parts on the side, like that. She looks real as fuck. Holy moly. So I will end up cutting this as close to the hairline as possible so that it looks natural. And then you see what I'm talking about right here? Like that's what you want to customize, and you want to put like little hairs around the perimeter so that when you go like this in the wind, it's not obvious, right? But oh my god, I'm obsessed. She is definitely worth the price. And if I had long hair, look, it's getting caught in my lashes. If I had long hair, this would be what it would look like. Yeah, this is what I would want. What do you guys think? First impression, she's amazing. Oh my god. Girl. Candy lover. Angelix, wait, what's her name? So kudos to you, Candy Lover 89 on Instagram and Angelix Beauty. Girl, I don't know how you do this, how you hand dye and hand tie and just make these wigs, but they are stunning. You've definitely got a customer for life. Absolutely. I can't stop touching her. So yeah, I think on my next video, I will show you guys what she looks like fully customized. I'm stoked. All right, so I'm going to leave her info down below and probably on the screen somewhere so you can go check her out. Go through Sezzle, y'all. You can make payments. So yeah, I think I might do some more wig unboxings as I get more like really good ones. These seem to be like popular and they're fairly quick and easy to do, although it was a little embarrassing sitting here in my wig cap. But yeah, anyway, I'm out of here. You guys have a great day. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell so you don't miss an upload, and give the video a thumbs up if you haven't already, which you should have. All right, you guys, I'm gonna go start customizing her and I will see you in my next one. Bye.